2026 is the year gadgets stopped trying to impress you on spec sheets. They started impressing you in your hand, on your face, on your helmet, on your zipper. A fingerprint lock built into an alloy zipper, a mesh intercom helmet with 360-degree visibility, an AI pet robot you build yourself. 10 mind-blowing smart gadgets that prove 2026 is not a normal year for technology. Let's go. Number 1. Compressed air cans are wasteful. Bulky air compressors meet a power outlet, and neither one fits in a bag you'd actually carry. Blast Air just redefined what portable air power looks like, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 gadget that makes you realize how many problems one well-engineered device can solve when the design starts from scratch. The Blast Air delivers high-velocity compressed air in a handheld, rechargeable form factor that weighs almost nothing and fits in a jacket pocket. Keyboards, camera sensors, vents, tight mechanical spaces, the kind of cleaning and clearing tasks that used to require either a dedicated tool or a can of chemicals you hold upside down and hope doesn't freeze. Multiple nozzle attachments extend the use cases. Precision tip for electronics, wide diffuser for larger surfaces, extended reach for the gaps nothing else can access. USB-C rechargeable, multiple power levels, a runtime per charge that handles a full cleaning session without stopping mid-task. Blast Air doesn't replace the compressed air can. It makes you wonder why you ever used one. Number 2. A hub charges your devices. A cooling pad manages your laptop temperature. 2 separate items, 2 separate footprints, 2 separate power cables. The Disc Pro 2 handles both in the form factor that fits in the palm of your hand, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 gadget that every desk setup and travel kit has been missing without knowing it had a name. Active cooling technology built into the hub surface draws heat away from connected devices, extending battery cycle life, preventing thermal throttling, and keeping performance consistent during extended work sessions. Multiple USB ports, high-speed data transfer, and a build quality that makes it feel like it should cost significantly more than it does. Small enough for EDC, powerful enough for a full desk setup. The Disc Pro 2 does 2 jobs in one device. Neither one compromised. Number 3. Writing by hand is how most people think best, but handwritten notes stay stuck on paper, unsearchable, unshared, and lost the moment the notebook fills up. The iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2 is the AI-powered smart notebook that bridges the gap, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 gadget for anyone who thinks with a pen but works in a digital world. Write on the e-ink display with a natural pen feel that matches paper without being paper, and watch the AI convert your handwriting to searchable, editable text in real time. The AI layer goes further than conversion. It organizes your notes by topic, generates summaries of longer entries, and surfaces connections between ideas across different sessions, building a knowledge base from the things you write down rather than letting them sit in isolation. Cloud Sync keeps every note accessible across every device. The e-ink display is easy on the eyes during long sessions. The AINOTE Air 2 doesn't replace the notebook. It finally makes it as powerful as everything it connects to. Number 4. Most robot toys follow instructions. Kitto makes decisions. The Kitto is a true AI agent, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 gadget that makes toy feel like the wrong word the moment you see it reason through a situation rather than react to a trigger. It observes. It builds a model of its environment. It responds based on actual understanding, not a script that runs out of variety by day 3. It learns your preferences, remembers your interactions, develops behavioral patterns that shift over time, so Kitto in month 3 is a genuinely different companion from the one you unboxed on day 1. For kids, it teaches reasoning through play. For everyone else, it proves that AI agency has arrived in a form factor you can hold in your hand. Number 5. Makers, developers, and hardware tinkerers carry too many tools. Multimeter, logic analyzer, signal generator, oscilloscope, a collection of devices that individually justify their existence, but collectively demand a dedicated bag and a dedicated workspace. The Kode Dot puts all of it in a device the size of a matchbox, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 gadget that the maker community didn't know it was waiting for until someone finally built it. The Kode Dot combines the core diagnostic and testing tools that hardware development requires into a single pocket-sized unit, connected to your phone or laptop through a companion app that turns your existing screen into the interface. Debug in the field, test the circuit on a workbench with no permanent setup. Carry a full diagnostic toolkit in the same pocket as your keys. For the professional engineer and the weekend tinkerer alike, the Kode Dot is the tool that removes the friction between having an idea and testing whether it works. Number 6. Zipper locks exist to make bags slightly harder to open than they need to be. They require keys you lose or combinations you forget, and they secure your belongings with a level of resistance that most determined hands can defeat in under 30 seconds. The LOCKBB just reinvented the category entirely, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 gadget that makes every other bag lock feel like it belongs in a different decade. Built directly into an alloy zipper pull, the LOCKBB uses fingerprint authentication to lock and unlock your bag zipper. Your fingerprint opens it in under a second. Nobody else's does. No key, no combination, no physical vulnerability to picking or shimming. The fingerprint scanner is the lock, and the lock is part of the zipper itself. Alloy construction handles the physical abuse a daily carry zipper takes. Battery life runs months per charge. Your bag security just got a biometric upgrade, built into the part of the bag you were already touching. Number 7. A motorcycle helmet protects your head. It also isolates it, cutting off communication, limiting awareness, and leaving you alone inside a shell of foam and polycarbonate. The Lumos Sonorus changes the relationship between rider and environment fundamentally, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 helmet that every serious rider will wish had existed from their first mile on the road. 360-degree visibility engineering addresses the blind spots that conventional helmet design creates, a viewing geometry calculated to maximize what you can see without moving your head in traffic conditions where moving your head is the moment you miss something. Mesh intercom technology connects riders in a group without the pairing complexity and range limitations of Bluetooth-only systems, maintaining clear communication at distances and through obstacles that standard intercom helmets consistently fail to handle. Integrated lighting makes the helmet visible from behind, turn signals, brake indicators, and running lights that communicate your intentions to the traffic that can't see your hands. The Sonorus isn't a helmet with features added. It's a safety system you wear on your head. Number 8. You look at a sign in a foreign language. By the time you've opened the translation app, the moment has passed. The OhO Sunshine GlobeEar translates before you finish reading. AI real-time translation smart glasses and the mind-blowing 2026 gadget that makes language barriers feel like a problem that belongs to a previous era of travel. The glasses read what you're looking at and deliver the translation through a discrete audio channel directly into your ear. No phone, no app, no breaking stride to find and point a camera. Conversation translation handles spoken language in both directions, what you say and what you hear in real time, across dozens of languages. Lightweight, wearable all day, priced at a point that makes the technology accessible to travelers who need it most. Number 9. One flashlight does one job. The Olight Oclip Pro S does 5, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 gadget that makes every single function light you own feel like a missed opportunity. 5 independent light modes built into a single clip-on unit. Floodlight for wide area illumination, spot beam for distance, red light for night vision preservation, UV mode for detection tasks, and a strobe for emergency signaling. The clip mechanism attaches to hats, bags, pockets, and gear rails, positioning the light wherever you need it without occupying a hand. Rechargeable, compact, built to Olight standard for material quality that outlasts the environments it works in. For hikers, photographers, mechanics, first responders, and anyone whose work or adventures take them into low-light conditions. 5 lights, 1 clip. The only light you'll need to carry. Number 10. Every AI pet on this list comes pre-built, pre-programmed, ready out of the box. The Starbond Vox gives you something none of them can, the experience of building the intelligence yourself. The Vox is a buildable Claude AI pet robot, and it's the mind-blowing 2026 gadget that closes this list because the idea of assembling your own AI companion powered by Claude and watching it come to life as a result of your own hands putting it together is one of those product concepts that sounds impossible until you hold the kit. The assembly process is designed to be accessible, guided, satisfying, and educational in a way that makes the finished robot feel genuinely earned rather than simply purchased. Once built, the Vox runs on Claude AI, conversation, personality, contextual responses, and a behavioral engine that develops over time through your interactions with it. It's not just a robot, it's your robot, built by you, powered by one of the most capable AI systems available in a consumer product. The Starbond Vox doesn't just give you an AI pet, it gives you the story of how it came to exist, and that story starts the moment you open the box. Thanks for watching TechQubix. Subscribe for more future tech.